Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today I've got some new new to me, Toni Brattin that I just purchased at Frannie's Hair. She really has the best prices on the Toni Brattin. Before I show you these styles, there's a few things I want to mention. One is that I have a brand new camera and I'm still testing it out. I have new lights. I'm trying to do everything that I possibly can in order for the colors on the wigs to come through as close to what they really are as I possibly can. That's the first thing. The other thing I like to mention is Frannie's Hair has joined with Aesthetica Designs for an event in the Aesthetica showroom in Pennsylvania. I will leave the information listed down below in the description box, and I would love for you to come on over. I'll be there. The resident stylist V will be there, and we're going to be trying on wigs, learning how to style them, where I'll be able to take pictures because the picture showroom will be open. We'll have snacks, we'll have wine. I hope you come on over and join us. The reason why I'm starting out with my bio hair. I know many of you are going to say either if I had your hair, I wouldn't wear wigs, or why do you wear wigs if you have hair? I wear wigs because I get bored of wearing the same color. I could never go like this every day. I get terribly bored. And I don't like to go to the beauty salon, so I don't want to have it dyed. Therefore, I wear wigs. I have a clip-on bun from Toni Brattin, and I wanted to show you how I wear it because it might be something that wigs. If you have total hair loss, partial hair loss, this may not be for you, but I'm going to have wigs that I'm going to be showing you from Toni Brattin as well. These ponytail wigs are perfect if you have your hair is thinning out a little bit. I know my friend Monica from Monica's Beauty and Lifestyle, her hair is a little thin and she wears so many of these buns. I will leave the link to Monica's channel listed down below. Toni Brattin it's a wavier one. Let me see what it's called because I can't remember. It's called a pony double play. And mine is in the color Salt and Pepper. So I thought that it would match my hair pretty well. It's heat friendly. So if you wanted to have it straight, you can straighten it, of course, or you can wear it how it comes. It's so easy to wear. We have a clip, as you can see. Let me see if my camera focuses. You see how that clip on there? It's just a claw clip. That's all it is. So I'll take my hair, and there are also different lengths. And there's a few ways that you can wear this. You could either do a bun, a little ponytail, or a low bun, or you could do, let me show you. You could do kind of like a half up and half down, like that. And then just take your clip on and just put it up there and blend it in with your own hair. That's one way of wearing it. Another way of wearing it is having and I'm doing this very quickly. If I was actually going to wear it, I would take some more time, but I could make a low ponytail or a bun, a low ponytail, and then I can take my clip and just add it on there. You could do it either way. Or you could put it up a little bit higher if you wanted to. Either way, I think it works amazing. All right. The thing with Toni Brattin is that we're only going to have basic caps. We're not going to have any We're not going to have any frills. We won't have any lace part. We won't have any mono top. We won't have any of that. However, my experience with most basic caps is that they're usually loaded with permatease. Not always, but that's pretty much what happens. This one that I'm going to show you is Confidence. I really like this wig, and this one is in red blonde. I will probably be getting this one in a brunette because it's so easy to wear, and once again, very budget friendly, right around the $100 range. So we have a basic cap, we have open ear tabs, we have an extended nape, and we have Velcro adjusters. As you can see, I did have to cinch it in quite a bit to accommodate my 21.5-inch circumference. On Toni Brattin, we have lots of stretch to the cap. This red blonde is a warm color. Did I mention that these are all heat-friendly fibers too? So we always want to use a comb with these. Like I said, these don't have any lace front or anything like that, but look how easy that is. And I haven't done anything to this wig. I mean, I took it out, I shook it. This is, I wore it for when I did the collaboration with Frannie on affordable wigs. I think we started out that video with this, but that's it. Look at that. I mean, even without a lace front, you could just wear it slightly off to the side, and I think it's perfect. If you wanted to add some bangs, because we have a basic cap, we could add a bang to it. I don't, because I don't wear that many bangs, and also because I don't know how to cut bangs, or I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. So look at this, how cute. Again, this is Confidence in red blonde. Toni Brattin doesn't give us a color code. What I see here is an auburn blended with a strawberry blonde, a light auburn, a darker strawberry blonde. It is a very warm color. All right, the next one I'm going to show you is Supreme Bob, and this one is in light blonde. I chose to purchase this one because it's your bob with the bangs, similar to Alva from Norrico. The difference is that this one is going to be a little bit longer, and it won't have the permatease that we find on Alva. It also runs a little bit larger. On Supreme Bob, again, we have a basic cap, open ear tabs, an open extended nape, and Velcro adjusters, and a good amount of stretch to the cap. The other thing with the Toni Brattin wigs is that they offer the average, which will fit 22 and a quarter inches, but they also have the plus for those that have a larger head size. All right, let me put this on this light blonde. Now, you know that this color will not look good on me, but it's not about me. It's about me showing you the different colors. I would say the root is it appears to be a warm brunette. And then we have some ashy blonde, and we have some sands blonde in the blend. So it's a nice neutral color. Okay, the bangs are really long on me. So I am just going, I think that they're like 4.5 inches. I'm just going to push it back a little bit just for the purpose of this video. And just like in Confidence, the permatease is minimal, and absolutely minimal here. This is totally flat. I'm feeling a bit of permatease around the crown, but it's not pillowy permatease. And the density, I didn't mention it with Confidence, but these are light density, very nice wispy fibers. And of course, if you wanted to curl it or you want to straighten it some more, you can certainly do that. You can. Is it tuckable? Yep, absolutely tuckable, because we have such a light density, and we can wear it with a headband if that's what we want to do. All right, this next one that I'm going to show you is Trendsetter, which is a really popular style for Toni Brattin. And this one is in medium brown. This is going to be a little short for me. You know, I have a low hairline, but I wanted to show it to you anyway for those of you that are not familiar with Trendsetter. Basic cap, just like the others, open ear tabs. Now, Trendsetter doesn't have an extended nape. It doesn't have an extended nape, but we still have the Velcro adjusters, and we do have a good amount of stretch to the cap. All right, it looks a little bit crazy, but we'll take care of that. I'm going to take my water bottle, I'm going to add some water. I think it's a really cute throw and go. This color, medium brown, like I mentioned, it appears to be a warm brunette because it's giving me a blend. I'm seeing a bit of a blend with an auburn in here. It's like a dark chocolate brown. You could add bangs if you want to do that. You can move it over to the side. I can see why this is a favorite to many, and it's such an easy style. If you love short styles, I think that you would like this one. We have a little bit of permatease, not an awful lot, but I can feel the permatease, of course, because we have that basic cap, but I don't feel it to be an abundance. I'm not a big permatease fan, but I feel that there's always place for permatease because it holds up the style, it conceals the wefts. What I don't care for personally, and there's nothing wrong with that, it's just my personal preference, I don't care for pillowy permatease. And this doesn't, I would wear this fine. No problem whatsoever. I think it's cute, it's wearable, easy, and very affordable. All right, next one up is Fashion Flare, and this one is in dark red. Oh my. Once again, another color that doesn't go with my skin tone, but we're gonna roll with it. On Fashion Flare, we will have an extended nape and Velcro adjusters. We have felt covered ear tabs, unlike the others where we had open ear tabs, and we have the same basic cap with a good amount of stretch to the cap. When I first saw this style, it gave me something like what Sharon Osbourne would wear, and both the color and the style. You could leave a little bit of a fringe there if you like. You could wear it off to the side. Again, all of these are heat friendly, as are all Toni Brattins. But you know, in a style, these styles, you don't have to add heat that much, unless it's a long one that's rubbing against your clothes. These short ones, I have some short heat friendly styles and I've never added heat to them. Just a little bit of finger combing. I feel the permatease right here, right at the crown. I feel the return, what are they, return hairs? You could leave a little bit of fringing over here on the sides. Sure, you could wear it with a headband or a clip. Not that I would wear it with a white headband, but just so you get the idea. I really like it kind of messy because I feel it just looks more natural that way, but that's just my opinion. The last one that I have to show you is a new one from Toni Brattin. This is Spectacular. I've reviewed Spectacular before. I think it was like in a medium brown, but I wanted to get this brown blonde because I wanted to see what this brown blonde looked like. I thought, well, if it's a brunette with blonde highlights, it might be something that you want to see. I think this style, Spectacular, is a really pretty style. I said it when I first reviewed it. Spectacular. Once again, we have that basic cap, but we have felt covered ear tabs. We do have an extended nape, and we have Velcro adjusters, and a good amount of stretch to the cap. I don't know if Hair You Wear, the makers of Raquel Welch and Gabor and Hairdo, if they are manufacturing Toni Brattin now, but I know that they are representing Toni Brattin. The fibers feel really nice and wispy and soft. For this price, I don't think you can go wrong. I mean, if your preference is wearing wigs that have, if you want a monofilament, if you want that lace front, then these wigs aren't for you. But if you are just looking for something for a throw and go, something that is affordable, you want to try wigs, you want to see if you like them, I think these are perfect. Okay, just what I thought. This brown blonde, we have a warm brown, we have some blonde highlights, we have that bang, but we can wear that bang a little swept to the side. You can wear a tuck behind the ears because we do have light density. You can wear a very short ponytail. And you can certainly move it over to the side. If you wanted to straighten this, of course you can do that as well, or you could add more curls to it. I'm just adding some water. And there's no shine because we have heat-friendly fibers. Some permatease right here, right at the crown, but not a lot. No pillowy permatease at all. I think it's a really, really pretty style, and this color, this brown blonde, is really nice. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Please let me know what you think about these Toni Brattin styles. Do you like to see these budget-friendly styles? Please let me know. I would love to hear from you. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.